Okay guys, welcome to the Foxtecc community again, and this time we have another insightful video on our YouTube channel. So today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, and it is how to tag people on your story after you've already posted it. It's a common question, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to check out the link in the description for more courses on Foxtecc. So let's jump right into it. When it comes to accessing your Instagram story after posting it, it is a pretty straightforward process. Now at first, let me just show you that, for example, I'm going to post this little thing right here. So just click on add it to your story like this. And once the process finishes, it is actually pretty simple. So in case you forgot to tag someone, simply tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of your story screen. So I'm going to click on my story like this, and you can see I have the dots right here at the bottom. So I'm going to click on more, and there are some things which show up, but basically what you need to click on is the option saying add mentions. It's your gateway to seamlessly tagging people even after the story has gone live. So once you've clicked the option right here, the add mentions, you can start tagging people within your story. So scroll through your followers or use the search bar to find the person you want to tag. A quick tap and now they are part of your story. It's a neat feature that allows you to enhance your posts even after they've been shared. But what if you made a mistake and want to make some edits? This is not a problem either. You have the option to edit or delete the story after tagging. So you can, for example, just tap on the three dots once again and you can delete the entire story. So this is the option as well. So yeah, these are the things that you have available. I'm gonna delete the story right now because it's not anything substantial. It's just for the purposes of the video. Now, if you're not seeing the tagging option, there is a quick troubleshooting step. Consider updating your Instagram to the latest version. So you simply go ahead and open up the App Store, look up the Instagram and see if any update is available. In case there is something, then you can definitely go ahead and just click on update. So for me, there is no update available. Now, there you have it. This was a comprehensive guide on how you can tag people on your story after it's already been posted. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to explore more courses on the Foxtecc. It is free and accessible by everyone. It's got the link is down below in the description. I'm talking about my educational platform, which you can join, of course. But for now, thanks a lot for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Leave a thumbs up. See you guys later in the next video.